What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Long time no talk, but looks like the postman's brought us some bikes. New Elite Outlaw. It's a 26-inch BMX bike. Gotta start the party off right with some sweet tea. Woo! There's two ways to unwrap a bike, and we're gonna do it the internet way. So out of the box, what you're gonna get is some 26-inch wheels, a set of pegs, set of pedals, some black paint just in case you scuff it up, a padded seat, V-brakes so you can grab those wheelies, and a 25-tooth sprocket, and one English bulldog. Hey buddy, hey buddy. We've designed this with a steeper front end, shorter back end, so you can put pegs on it and get it into the skate park. I'm gonna do some foot jams, tail taps, disasters, see what 360s feel like, and just make sure that it feels like a BMX bike. That's what it was designed for, so let's get into the skate park and give it a feel out, and I'll give you my opinion straight after. So far the 26-inch Outlaw is riding insane. I'm having such a great time. It's locking into everything I thought it would. The back peg is never missing the coping or anything like that. Not having any hassles. It doesn't feel like a mountain bike at all. It feels perfect for the skate park. So I'm pumped. I am really pumped. I'm gonna get back in there and get a few more clips. Yee-hoo! I'm back home now, so I want to tell you everything I really love about this bike. I think the number one thing is the back dropouts. They're so tiny that the peg fits on perfectly and it'll grind on anything that you want it. So that makes it feel a lot like a BMX bike. It doesn't make it feel like a mountain bike. It doesn't make you hit the dropout or break your chain if it's on that side, but we've built them small enough so it can grind on anything. Other than that, how wide the rims are. Wider the rim, the wider the tire, and the wider the tire, the more comfy it feels. So doing wheelies, riding in the skate park, it feels awesome. It feels like it's got suspension almost, and a steep head tube. Having a steep head tube still means you can do nose wheelies, you can just play around a lot more. It's not raked out, it doesn't feel like you're gonna case everything. So the short back end, the steep head tube, this thing feels like a BMX bike. And then the other thing is just the colorways that we got. We did so many rad colorways, but this oil slick, it's mint, it's so perfect. It's awesome. So if you're into it, check out the website. I'll link it in the bio. It's www.elitebmxbikes.com. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll talk to you soon. See ya.